Hi, welcome back to Manly Lifestyles. I'm your host, Kevin Manley. So excited to be back with you guys. Very excited for this moment. I want to come at you today with something I think is very beneficial to you as you go throughout your week, and that is, wait for it, taking cold showers. Woo, felt the freeze. Did you feel the freeze? Don't turn it off. Stick with me. I know that's something that if you say to someone, woo, people back down away from that one. But it is a very beneficial thing. And I'll tell you from my own life, it has brought my productivity and my discipline to another level. Now, what are we talking about? We're not talking about a 5-10 minute shower. You're welcome to do that. I invite you to it. I haven't gotten to that point yet. I'm at the 30-second at the very end of the shower. Okay, now the benefits, there's a lot of benefits involved. You can do a lot of searches and you'll find that there's research that will indicate there's a lot of health benefits to cold therapy. But I want to focus in on the things that will benefit you throughout your week. And so there are specific things that I think will benefit you. One is you're conquering something early in the day. Oftentimes, in my mind, I think this is one of the biggest things to conquer. There's plenty of things to do throughout the day, but if I can conquer this aspect, I feel like everything else is downhill. Second thing, you are resetting your nervous system. Again, I implore you to do the research on this. So it's a great reset to your day. I'm telling you, when you do something like this, it puts your body in just a great feeling. And the third thing is being at your best. Now, I'm not saying that if you don't take cold showers, you're not at your best. Please hear me right. But what I am saying is that there are plenty of examples of high-performing individuals who do things differently than 90% of the people. And because they do that, they are at their best. What I found is that by taking this 30-second cold shower, it puts me at my best throughout the day and throughout the week. To be very honest, when I started this out, those 30 seconds were probably around maybe 15, if I'm being completely honest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 for that first initial period. But I've now gotten to the point where it is a full 30 seconds. I'll probably get to a point where I actually have a clock that times it, so I'm holding myself accountable. But the way that this actually started was I was at a networking event and there was a gentleman that advocated for some different things you can do to improve your overall productivity. And one of the guys mentioned taking a cold shower. And I'm probably like many of you where I thought, I'm not taking a cold shower. That is not on my trajectory. I'm not doing that. But as I considered what's going to take me to the next level as far as my productivity, what am I capable of? And so I made that decision, and it became something to where it is now an integral part of my morning routine where I will not leave the house until I got my cold shower because I know the level of productivity that it brings me to. And so I don't want to function anywhere below that. So I challenge you, this is a new challenge, the ice cold shower challenge. And I think it's something that you'll find great benefit in. This is a part of just adding diligence to us. Well, you may find that, hey, cold shower just is not for me. That's completely fine. But if you're implementing disciplines, it's going to bring you to another level. I'm advocating for this as one thing that you can put in place that I think will give you great benefit. And final note, I do want to highlight looking your best. And so you'll see here, I do have a tailor-made suit on. I do have a silk tie as well as the tie bar. I think the tie bar is very important because it does give you a finished look. Also, I have the pocket square as well. You want that to be very crisp. And so these are things that you can do. This is a full Windsor as well. So we'll definitely talk about those types of things. But again, you want to have a finished look. And I really emphasize the subtleties within dress. So thanks again, guys. I will talk to you soon. Leave some things in the comments. Love to be able to talk with you guys. Talk to you guys soon.